Hey there, Crunch Fat Clean friends. Ditch the Comet and the Ajax and all those toxic bleach chemicals that you need to wear gloves when you're cleaning a sink and get plant-based cleaning. I like to load it up with my thieves cleaner first and then sprinkle this magical plant-based eco-friendly powder on it. I like to marinate it, get it all nice and seasoned so I can get to cleaning. And then I get my scrubber and I scrub. And then I rinse it off and clean. Check it out. Beautiful Crunch Fat Clean. Links down below for where to get it.